Hey, what's going on my rideshare drivers and future rideshare drivers? Just wanted to share with you real quick tricks to stay in the surge area pricing for Uber. When you're in those areas, you can increase your earnings, and it sure as hell beats not like getting those extra surge prices when you're driving out there. And I say this because something happened to me the other day and I messed up, and I mean, it just really turned awful. So what happened was I was in the surge pricing. It was at nighttime in the evening. I picked up a rider. What I had been doing is I had been picking up a rider in the surge, and then there's a setting on the app when you can go offline. And this is really good to do because when I drop somebody off, I don't know where I'm being dropped off as far if it's in the surge pricing area. So when I turn it off and I drop the rider off, I can then look at the map again and see if it's still surging. And what happened to me the other night is that I forgot to turn it off. I picked up a rider that was outside of the surge pricing, so I didn't get the extra $4 or $5 for that trip, which was awful. It's, that really sucks when you're out there driving, because those really add up. If you can bang 5 of those in a row, that really adds to your share. And then they took me to a spot that was outside of the surge, and it was just awful. It was tons of lights. It literally took me 20 minutes to go 2 miles, and I was just so livid. So my point and my tip is right here: don't let this happen to you. When you're picking up riders in the surge area, make sure to go into the app and turn on last ride. So it'll take you offline and won't put any more riders in your queue. So then when you drop that rider off, you can turn the app back on, see where the surge pricing is, drive to the surge pricing before you go online again, and then you can take advantage of the extra $5 or so. And that's important because it could be just right around the block. I mean, that's what happened to me the other night. So more tips to come. Please subscribe. My referral code is down below. You can earn some extra money for driving if you're not a driver, and then you can become a driver, and then you can get a referral code too. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.